Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that can completely transform how you manage your life. Personal concierge services. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent with endless responsibilities, or just someone who values your time, this video is for you. So what exactly is a personal concierge? Think of them as your go-to person for all the tasks you don't have time for. Whether it's organizing your calendar, handling your travel bookings, or even running errands, a personal concierge can do it all. It's like having a personal assistant, but way more flexible and tailored to your needs. Now you might be wondering, why are concierge services becoming so popular? It's simple. Life is busy. Between work, family, and social commitments, it can feel like there's no time left for anything else. That's where a concierge service comes in, freeing up your time so you can focus on what really matters. There are several types of personal concierge services out there. Let's break them down. First, lifestyle concierge. They handle tasks like grocery shopping, scheduling, or organizing your home. Second, corporate concierge, designed for business, helping employees with administrative tasks or planning events. Third, travel concierge. They take care of all your travel needs, from booking flights to creating personalized itineraries. Event planning concierge, perfect for planning weddings, parties, or corporate events. Virtual concierge, remote assistance for scheduling, emailing, and managing online tasks. So why should you hire a concierge? Let's talk about the benefits. Time saving, first and foremost. You save hours of time every week. Stress reduction. No more running around, trying to juggle a million things. You'll feel more relaxed knowing someone else has got it covered. Personalized service. Everything is tailored to your specific needs. Flexibility. You can hire them for just a one-time task or ongoing services. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, where can I find a personal concierge? It's easier than you think. Start by looking up local concierge services online, or check apps like TaskRabbit for personal assistance. Many concierges specialize in certain areas, so make sure to choose one that aligns with your needs, whether it's for business, travel, or daily errands. Hiring a personal concierge can truly change your life. Imagine having someone manage the small but time-consuming tasks, giving you the freedom to spend more time with family, focus on your business, or simply relax. It's about reclaiming your time and reducing the stress that comes with a hectic schedule. So there you have it, the power of personal concierge services and how they can revolutionize your daily life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you manage your life like a pro.